Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna replace a display of Samsung A50. Okay, check the unit. So this one does not power on. Bottom part is damaged. The side is also damaged. Try opening it now. It opens here. Normally we should open the cap first, but it seems I can open it from the middle. There. It's just plastic. I already removed most of the screws. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The top, at the bottom it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 at the bottom screws. Then I'll try lifting it up, but since it's already broken, it's easy to remove it. So normally you would use this tool, insert it here, and pluck it out slowly on each side. So just open it. Oh, sorry, I forgot to remove the SIM slot. So before we lift it, we open the SIM slot. Then here we can lift up this frame. Then this one has a broken frame here. Then we just have to remove the ribbons first, battery, display, and the connection from main motherboard to lower display, and then motherboard display. This one is display, the left, and this one is lower motherboard. This one is the fingerprint scanner. So we'll just remove all of that. Okay, so this one is ribbon 1, 2. Then I'll disconnect the front facing camera. This one, I'll just put it there. Then I'll also disable the fingerprint scanner. But this one is screwed here. Let's focus. It has double screw here. Then you can lift up this thing. And then I'll try to remove now the main motherboard, which is this one. Also, if you're touching the circuit board, make sure you're using plastic and not metal. Oops. Okay, sorry, there's a screw here for the motherboard. and then there's yeah, there's no screw at the bottom. There's a screw here. I just noticed when I tried to lift up the board. Okay, so now that's removed. Okay, now just look for a gap. Then we can lift up. Right there. So from this view, just gently lift up and then assist the cable here. And this one also came out, as well as this. So we'll just place it like that. Then I'll just remove the battery, but I also already prepared that so the battery can be removed easily. If you're unable to remove the battery easily, just put some alcohol and soak it. So now what's left is the vibration motor and the display. Oh, fell off. Yeah, so this one is the vibration motor right there. Then yeah, there's no adhesive anymore. Then the display here, it's broken, so I'm not gonna take that. And then going back on the frame, it still has the speaker, so we're gonna take that one. So you're just gonna use like a plastic glue to block it out. Okay, it doesn't want to come out. Alright, I got it from this side. So this is the speaker. So this is what the phone would look like without the frame. So the front facing camera, the motherboard, the battery, the cable attaching the lower motherboard to the main motherboard, and this one is the display cable. This one is the speaker, SIM card tray, SIM card ejector, and the screws. And now, so for the items that I ordered, so this one is the lower motherboard because the charging port is not working anymore. It's this one. I think this one is just adhesive or something to stick it. So if I remove this, it has some stickiness. Then you wanna see it up close. Okay, this one is the charging board. So this is the display with frame already installed, and it doesn't have adhesive for the battery there. This one is the, I think, screen protector. Yep, tempered glass. and then came with some wipes. Anyway, let's get to building. Okay, so checking on this frame, it has some adhesive from the top, so I guess we'll just try to remove it. Then also here, okay, this one no adhesive here, it's just a sticker, maybe warranty or some sort. So this one only came with this frame, but it didn't came with the power button, so I will have to use the old one. This old one I have to use still, and same back, so I'll still be using this back plastic plate. Anyway, let's build this thing. So we'll start with the main board. Also, I'm disconnecting this old one now. It doesn't want to. Okay. So the blue one. Okay, that's connected now. Going back. Just try to focus a bit. So I think we need to place the motor first. So vibration motor goes in there. Now the motherboard, and then we screw it. It has one tiny black screw here. And then the front facing camera. Okay, this thing had a oh, there's another thing that I forgot to take out from the frame. It's this one. I'll try to take it out. Okay, I managed to remove it. You just have to look here on the top and then use something to force it, like what I'm doing. See, like that. Managed to take out this thing. I think it's a speaker or incoming, like when you're talking. Okay, so just put that here. It has to be, oh no, sorry, already screwed in the motherboard. Okay, so now the first one to place is the vibration motor, and then the speaker, and then the motherboard. And then put now the screw. And then moving below, I'll remove this adhesive thing. Then just press it down gently. Then for the cable, I think I'll place the blue one first. Then fortunately I took out the speaker, but I have to put it back from the same frame. So from here I have to put it again. Now there's a screw that fell off. So like that. This one is the old part of the frame. It's with the power button and the volumes. I didn't put yet the fingerprint scanner, so I'll put that. Then it has 2 screws. Alright, that's done. Now I'm gonna place the battery, but since it wiggles like that, I'm gonna place a double-sided tape. Okay, what I have here is a adhesive tape for smartphone. Then I'll place the battery. Okay, now it's in place. Now I'll place the ribbons. So like this. So I'll put number 1 first. There on the display. Here the number 2 goes here and here. Okay, looks like everything is in place. I'll put now the cover for the power button. Now let's see if it will power up. Okay, so it works. Let's wait for it. So now the phone can power on. and it wants to update as well, but it's working just fine. Alright, so comparing the two, so we got on the left side is the A50 Super AMOLED, then the replacement screen, probably a OLED, I guess, but you can see it's kind of like waving on the camera, and here it's not. So let's see if we play a video on YouTube. Alright, so this is the display comparison. But based on the video, it looks like the A50 that I have is the one OLED, then the one on top is Super AMOLED, because it's showing some lights here on the edge. So I only noticed that now. So if you wanna search, just search Super AMOLED display test. Alright, I'll turn back the lights now. But I have a sort of issue at the moment, is the speaker is not working properly. I think I have to remount the speaker.
Imagine a place you can almost taste. A50, June from Italy.
So that sounds pretty bad. Okay, I managed to somewhat fix the issue. So this is what it sounds like now. So it sounds okay, but it's not max volume. Sounds okay like that. But if I max it, it sounds weird. Camera. Alright. So I'll just put the back case. Sick. I think I can also put the SIM slot now. And then I'll just put some adhesive. Now I'll place the screen protector. Just prepare the screen protector. I'll just quickly remove this, peel it off, then apply the screen protector. Let's remove this. That is all for this video, and as always, thank you for watching. Cheers.